Curious about anal play? I have something for you. Let's see what you get in the Rocks of Bubbles butt plugs box. First up, you'll find the plug, the removable bullet vibrator, and even the battery included, which is always a plus. The plug itself is made from velvety, soft, body-safe silicone, which feels amazing on your skin. It's compact and beginner-friendly with 2.7 inches of insertable length and the maximum diameter of just 1 inch. This is the perfect starting point for beginners exploring anal play. Here's why: it has a design that starts small and gradually gets wider, making it comfortable and easy to use. The T-shaped base keeps insertion and maneuvering easy, so you can focus on enjoying the experience. It's a cross between a butt plug and anal beads, which is why it has the best of the both worlds. Plus, it has got 7 vibration modes. It's waterproof, it's super flexible to suit all body shapes and positions. Oh, and here's a bonus. It comes with a removable bullet vibrator that you can use separately for external stimulation. So really, it's like getting 2 toys in one. Honestly, I was little intimidated about, anal play at first, but Bubbles plug made me believe that it definitely was for me. Using ample amount of lube allowed me to go at my own pace without any discomfort. Its flexibility was a huge plus for me. I could adjust perfectly to my preference, which meant that it didn't feel awkward or rigid. And I genuinely had a ball of a time trying to use this in different positions or even sharing this with my partner, Sometimes when I don't want to do anal play, I just pop out the removable bullet to stimulate my pleasure points. It's one of my favorite features. As for me, a water-based lube though is a must with the Rocks of Bubbles butt plug or any sort of anal play. This helps make the experience smooth and comfortable. I'd suggest taking it slow, insert the first bubble, let your body adjust and move forward only when you are ready, You can also use it in the shower or bath since it's completely waterproof. So, give it a try and order now from IMbesharam.